The Drones and Unmanned Aircraft Systems class is one that we're very excited to be offering. As the title of the class suggests, this course focuses on unmanned aircraft systems, which are rapidly becoming one of the fastest growing areas in the aerospace industry today. In this class, students will be exposed to the history, theory, and practical aspects of automated aviation and robotic aircraft. Over the course of 4 weeks, students will learn about basic aircraft theory when we investigate topics such as propulsion, aerodynamics, avionics, and control. Now, in addition to just learning about the theory, students will get a chance to get their hands dirty by working on some actual aircraft. We'll work with a research lab in the Department of Aeronautics and Astronautics to take some of their aircraft into a lab to get some hands-on experience doing things like programming aircraft autopilots, setting up ground control stations, integrating sensors, and planning missions. All of this work is building up to the culmination of the class where students will get a chance to actually fly their vehicles. This is really what makes the class unique. We take students to a flight test facility and they get a chance to conduct actual field experiments with their UAS. Beforehand, we spend almost a month in the classroom studying, designing, and building these systems. And to actually see it fly after all of this hard work is one of the greatest feelings and experiences in the world. Students literally get to see their ideas take flight.
So I really enjoyed this class, A198. It gave me really relevant experience for the major that I want to pursue, aeronautics and astronautics, and the hands-on experience that I gained in this class was really valuable to me. I would recommend this for anybody who maybe is going into aeronautics and astronautics or even really isn't. It gives you a wider perspective on the industry, giving me lots of insight on history, developments in the field, and I really enjoyed it.
For this class, I love the fact that we are actually able to apply what we learned in class through various field trips. My team, we did this really cool search and rescue mission where we looked for objects hidden in a vast terrain using a FP first-person view camera mounted on top of a UAS.
This class is part of the Early Fall Start Exploration Seminar Series at the University of Washington. This is a really unique program where incoming freshmen are given the opportunity to take a class 4 weeks before the official start of fall quarter. This is a really great opportunity as it allows students to have this nice, easy, smooth transition from high school to college. They can spend 4 weeks focusing on just a single class instead of multiple simultaneously. In addition to technical content, in this class we cover topics such as how to get software through the University of Washington, where to eat on campus, how do I get involved with a student organization or club, and other things like that. These tips and tricks are things you wouldn't get in a normal class, but they're going to help set students up for success and benefit them throughout their entire UW academic career. Now, while the topics in this class are technical, it's an introductory class, so as such, we welcome students from all backgrounds. While the class obviously attracts a lot of prospective engineers, in the past we've had students who are interested in archaeology, geography, sociology, physiology, and even medicine. Really, for anyone who wants to start their career at the University of Washington off on the right foot, this class is for you.